Guys, just commit to the bit. Subscribe.
Are we screaming again? I'll take it.
Whoa! I'm also using my mom's new phone, guys. Guys, it was today. Oh, flip. Oh, what the flip?
Let's get some furniture in there, alright? Give me a great friend. Maybe we just
Yeah, that's your pants. That's $1,000.
The shark head has been there since we made the Lego house.
Oh, whoa, 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 go. Oh my, commit to the bit.
Danny, you need to stop it right now.
Stop saying commit to the bit.
No, the yelling and the screaming, or
But I'm filming you. Mom, I'm filming YouTube channel.
you just need quiet. Stop throwing things. Otherwise, Santa's not gonna get you an iPhone. What do you think?
Child!
What do you think? Do you think you're getting an iPhone or no? I don't think you're getting it.
Mom, I'm filming a YouTube video.
I don't care.
No, can you just quiet?
I'm not scared to tell you.
Can you quiet?
Now we just gotta plug it.
Hey, it's a bubble.
Enough, I said.
Hey, that looks like boils. I used to have those. See who can get the biggest bubble.
Ew, bro. Yo!
Okay, I'm gonna scream at you in a minute.
Sorry,
Lower the
I have to
voice.
talk a lot.
No, you're screaming. That's a big difference.
That's Chase.
Welcome to the slime, brother. Come on, get up. Yeah. Welcome. Chase, you see my ring? Have you seen my ring? When you lost Rick's ring, I saw it. Alright, boys, so we got some buckets of slime. We're gonna try a slime slide. I got all mixed up real nice. Oh, it's okay, slime. Just pick it up.
Welcome to the slime, brother.
Way out of the way. I literally missed the slime. No, you did not. I found your ring. It's so sticky. Look at this.
Bro, that's not his ring. That's his toe.
These wild creatures come out and they roam the forest, lurking for new predators
Did
to
you put the
hunt
cookies
on.
in the oven
Looks
for me?
like they have found a companionship between the
I just want to go. I have to go to the bathroom. Also, guys, if you like my channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Guys, did you hear it? Make sure to like and subscribe and smash and comment what's your favorite video on my YouTube channel.
Come here now. touch my phone. Second of all, over there, there's a white stack of papers, and they look like this, but they're bigger. Excuse me, they're right in front of you. The top one, not the bottom one. Do you listen? I said the top one, not the bottom one.
Oh, flip. Oh, no. Oh, what the flip?
It's coming out of the cracks of the house. Bro, this is not good. The Lego house might go down in today's video. I'm tired of this green slime. No! Oh, I know one of them have the ring. They're holding out on me. Next we got off. Fall in the slime. We have to stay tonight and help clean all of this up. Alright, come on. Technically, I made it. 1 foot fell in, but 1 foot can help clean. All right, Princeton, go. This is the only obstacle in my way. The hardest part's the first jump. Afterwards, it's not as bad. I feel like I'm surfing right now. Yo, you guys better not fall. You don't want to clean this up, bro. It's gonna take hours. Yo, I don't think Chase is gonna make it. See the tile completely under the slime. Oh, did you fall?
He fell. Chase has to stay the whole night and clean it.
Clean up this entire Lego house by himself. I'm here with this pick now.
Hey, yo, what the hell? Bruh.
Stop paying attention to me. Let's keep trying how much of the... Oh, right. This is for free. I'm trying to think around the couch. Your idea is terrible. Not working. There seems to be no signs of intelligent life anywhere. I'm sure it's in... I don't feel it, Mr. Bear. Hi, boys. There's officially a lifeguard, so please obey the rules. No running, no walking. Try to show you how it's done here. You gotta go.
I know Gabriel's gonna break his toe again.
Against the rules. Come on, baby Shrek. Stick. Lifeguard, there's clearly a baby face down in the water. I'll go save.
I knew it.
I can't help you.
Eat it! Eat it! Yummy!
It's not? It's not the nightstand! Oh, it is here! Did you just drop your phone in this slide? Wait, can you help me get it off, please? It's slime proof. Your phone is done, bro. I'm just gonna put it with your ring. No. Now we can call it phone and it'll tell us where the ring is. Oh, right! Oh, you think it will ring? Boys, I'm going to look for the ring! Why is he so caught up on this ring? Yo, that's not good. Boys, this leak is not good. Oh, come here. Look at the leak! We have absolutely destroyed the Lego house. Alright, boys, we gotta quarantine this house.
Don't forget about Preston.
What happened to my duct tape, bro? Oh, save it. We're gonna try to fix this problem. Wait a second. Where's Preston? Where did Preston go? This is not good. Please leave a like and help me clean this house. Guys? Hello?